Hello guys, today we are talking about tic tac toe. There is a game tic tac toe. You all played this in your childhood, I think, because all of you are, most of you are 20, in their 20s. So we talk about tic tac toe, how how to write code. So in tic tac toe, there is always three rows. There is always three rows and three columns. Okay, there is always three rows in tic tac toe. So we can hard code this data. We simply take a loop for all the for taking all the rows. Okay. And 0 1 2 and 0 1 2. Okay. So what is the indexing of these all the elements? Index, you all know that 0 0 1 0 2 0, and this index we can write separately. Okay, 0 0 1 0 2 0, only index, only index, this is the index. And what is this? 0 1 1 1 2 1, 0 2 1 2 2 2. Okay, this is the index only, guys. This is the index, no need to worried about that. This is the index and this is our original matrix. So we can check this element is equal to this element, is equal to this element. If all the three elements are equal in this rows and this rows and this rows, then we say that this, who wins, who wins, x wins or y wins. We have to find who wins, who wins, x or y, x or 0, x or 0, between x and 0, who wins. So if this these three, all three elements, these all three, if these all three elements are equal, then he wins, x wins. If these three elements are equal, then 0 wins. Okay, if 0 0 0 are present there. So we check all the rows is in all the elements in this rows, in any one of the rows. There are three rows in this matrix. Okay, so we check in any rows, in any rows all the elements are equal. If equal, then wins, because which is present, x x x. If there are 3x is present in the last row, then x wins, right? So we simply take a loop. We take this loop for the iterating, for iterating all the rows, for iterating all the rows, and we hard code the columns, because there are only three columns in the tic tac toe. Okay, so what we can do, we can use we check for rows. Okay, for rows. And before moving ahead, we take a variable, let win equals to tie. And there is a situation, guys, there is a situation when more match goes tied, nobody wins. Okay, so that we take a variable win equals to tie. So how to check rows, how to check rows? If these three elements are equal in these rows, or in this rows, else in this rows. Okay, so if matrix, what we do, what we wrote in this position, what we wrote, see, that's why I take this index matrix separate. See, what is the indexes of all these elements? These are the indexes of all those elements. We check rows, we check for rows, we check for rows. Okay, so what is the common? First, 0 0, I is common, guys. You can observe from first row I is column, and in the second rows also I is column, right? And in third rows I is column. So we can say that I is common. Okay, and what we wrote here, 0 equal to matrix I1, because we want to check this, 0 0, when I equals to 0 0 0, I equals to 0 0 1 0 1. Understand, guys? And matrix I1 equals to matrix I2. Guys, we check first, is this element equal to this element? Yes, it checks. And we check again, and operator, we check both the condition, these both are equal and these both are equal. If these are equal, then simply what we do, who wins? Win equals to who wins, this value wins, this value wins, this value wins, right? So who wins? Matrix I0. Understand, guys? I0, I1, I2, I0, I1, I2. Okay, now, and if anybody wins, then we simply what do, break the loop. And this is for the rows, guys. Okay, this is for the rows. And what we do for the column? In column, guys, you observe that not I shifted here, guys. Understand, I shifted here all the things are same. So how do we wrote 4 columns? How do we wrote 4 column? If matrix 0i equals to matrix 1i, guys, we check these 0i 1i, because when loop runs, firstly we check for I equals to 0, and then we check for I equals to 1. So in all the things we check for rows, column, diagonal, all the things run loops. Okay, understand why we wrote here 0i and 1i? Because we want to check this 0i 1i, now 2i, and matrix 1i equals to matrix 2i. And then who wins? Win equals to matrix 0i. Okay, guys, anybody? Because all the things are same, so anybody wins. All the things are same, so you can write any value, this value, this value, and this value. Okay, now break the loop. Now, guys, we check for rows and columns. Now diagonal, we have to check also diagonal, because in tic-tac-toe, when you played tic-tac-toe, there are the possibility, when suppose x0 x 0 0 x x x 0, here also becomes, okay, guys, here also becomes not this element, sorry, this, both diagonally you can match it, diagonally, vertically, row wise, column wise, and diagonally, left right, diagonally, any, from anything you can use any logic and win. Okay, then we check for rows. For rows, what we do, run a loop and check who is common, I, then I0, I1, I2. And for rows, for columns, this is the common, this value is common, so we run loop for these values. For column 0i 1i 2i. And for the diagonal, what we do, this value is equal to this value, is equal to this value. Okay, so we hard coded that for diagonal. If what we check, matrix 0 to equals to matrix 1 1 and matrix 1 1 equals to matrix, what we do, 2 0, yeah. 2 0, then who wins? Matrix 0 2. Okay guys, break the loop, and then we check this diagonal, and again here you can see that guys, we don't use any values of a, we hard coded this is not dynamic, we hard coded this data because in the tic-tac game there are always 3 rows and 3 columns present. Okay, now we check for left diagonal, we check for right diagonal, and now we have to check for left diagonal. In the left diagonal 0 0 1 1 2 2. Okay, if matrix 0 0 equals to matrix 1 1, and what we check it do guys, matrix 1 1 equals to matrix 2 2. Okay, if it happens, then who wins? Matrix 0 0. Break the loop, close the loop, close this condition and close the loop, and what we have to print? Win. Print win. If left diagonal wins, then this happens. If right diagonal wins, then this will happen. If the column wins, then this wins, and if the row wins, then this wins. We check all the conditions, in a we check all the condition in tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe is like this. We in guys, tic-tac-toe is nothing. Tic-tac-toe is very simple. It is based on only indexing. In tic-tac-toe there is only always 3 columns and always 3 rows. We have to equal to this. We have to check, is this equal to this? 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 Is this equal? And this equal? If any of the rows equal, then who wins? Row wins. Right guys, understand? Which is present, if it wins, which is present wins. And in column we check, is this element equals to this element? If we, and what we check 2 conditions. Is this element equals to this element? If it happens, then wins. Okay, and again for this column we check these 2 elements are equal, if and these 2 elements are equal, like that. In this equal to this equal to this. Okay, understand guys? I hope you understand. If you have any problem again, then watch this video again and comment where you stuck, and I will come again. Thank you.